On 11th to 13th March 2020, something historical is going to happen. Penkwase District is embarking on Saving Jesus Crusade at February under the theme Jesus Christ, the only Savior, Acts 4:12. Inviting you to the Saving Jesus Crusade because sinners are going to be saved, sinners are going to be snatched from the hell kingdom. God is going to work miracles in the midst of his people. People with sickness are going to be healed. God is expecting you. I am expecting you there. The presence of God is going to be available. Although Penkwase District is the main mover of the crusade, we are expecting all apostolics and especially Sunyani area to join us to spread the gospel at February. God bless you for seeing you.